Now, the Equestrian Federation of Jamaica recently concluded its three-day retraining of racehorse program, which is a FEI solidarity project aimed at developing foundational skills for both horses and riders. Denise Walters reports.
The training exercise was conducted by Ecuadorian Jaime Murillo, who is the Pan American Confederation Development Officer for the Americas. Approximately 15 persons participated in the program, including riders, grooms, coaches, members of the mounted troops, and parents. The FEI Solidarity Grant was approved from 2019 for the program to be carried out in 2020. However, several events led to its postponement. President of the EFJ, Heidi Leila, says racehorse retraining is important in Jamaica.
We have a racetrack here, very active. There's 1,200 racehorses at Caymanas Park. There's also excellent bloodlines out of the US and Jamaica. There's active stud farms. So this is a project they want to see Jamaica bring here, and we have about...
Jamaica's racing industry has approximately 1,200 thoroughbred horses in training and more than 7 operational stud farms, many of which feature strong U.S. thoroughbred bloodlines. There were approximately 10 X-race horses ages 4 to 15.
In a process of retraining racehorses for competition. And, you know, it's all about a healthy aftercare for these racehorses and rehoming them and working them back into horse sport.
They want to work, right? And that's where you see them living long years, because I've had my horse personally go to 38, right? I think he actually got up to 41. I'd have to double check. The horse is older than me, and what I focus on is rehabilitation and retirement.
This program forms part of a broader global mission to raise awareness and ensure X-race horses are integrated safely and effectively into second careers.
It's actually a big global initiative, and these horses, a lot of them, they need homes sometimes from age 4 or between 4 and 6. So that the purpose is to retrain them. Here we're already proven with X-race horses that they can do competitions here on the island, and we have access to racehorses. So we are trying to do our part and support also Caymanas Park and the thoroughbred blood there and rehome them.
So I think just getting a foothold to start the program is a very great initiative, because I think it's going to benefit a lot of people across the island, and especially several different leisure places that will along the beach, along with the private guys that do beach rides. So there's a lot of people, especially North Coast, South Coast side, that have track horses from off of the track.
Lennox Byfield, who was a part of the training group, rides in Montego Bay at the Half Moon Equestrian Center.
We did some riding in the arena, and then we went to have a little theory session, which I found really interesting. He touched some points that no one has ever touched, so I definitely see the difference, and I would really love to see a lot more of this.
Byfield says Murillo also helped him work on his riding position and how to approach a jump.
I have a very long body, so my position always changes, depends on the horse that I'm riding. But he helped me to fix my position and to keep the same position on any horse that I ride. So definitely it was telling us to make sure that we have a straight line, make sure we're in the center of the jump, impulsion going to the jump with enough energy so that your horse will jump the jump.
Jamaica was the third stop for Murillo, following visits to Trinidad and Tobago as well as Barbados. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.